Hi, my name is Dr. Jenipher Cornelius, and I'm the principal consultant and owner of Crescenta Summit Consulting, a boutique consulting firm that focuses on the development of leaders through leadership development workshops and coaching. Additionally, we help businesses work through change initiatives and maintain or develop a strong company culture. On November 21st, I will be facilitating a workshop on psychological safety for the women in funeral service community members. This topic is near and dear to my heart because psychological safety can make or break a work or even home environment. You can expect to walk away with a solid understanding of what psychological safety is, why it's important, how to identify it in our lives, and receive takeaways on ways to foster a psychological safe environment both at work and at home. I invite you to register today for yourself and your teams for my virtual workshop to learn more and deep dive into the very necessary skills of psychological safety. You can even use your learnings back in the office for team building with your female team members. So don't hesitate any longer. Register today, and I'll see you on November 21st.